This is what I'm using first, okay? Move the roots out. And the very ends. So the hair, I think I showed this in one of my videos before. I don't know where you can buy it, I'm sorry. I'll still show you the hair, I'll just attach it or something. They come in strands. I use just 2 strands for each twist. I'll post the curly hair too because I don't have that in here right now. Just put this around your hair. Just braid it down however much you want. Just make sure the braid is tight and secure at the roots. Clip it like that. Just put the other side, just clip it off or tuck it or whatever. So that's my hair, and I'm gonna keep it on one side. You don't have to do this, but I fluffed out some of them that I was adding the hair to. So remember, it was 3, right? My hair and then these 2. I tucked this part away because I used 2 strands. I still have 2 on this side. You add that hair in and your hair, but I'm not worried about tucking my hair. Add that in to one side. Remember, I have 2 strands. Add that into one strand, hold it in place, take that other strand, wrap it around the strand that you just added the hair into. You really can do this, I guess, however far you want to. I would go all the way down, of course, because it's that end piece that's going to be poking out of the damn twist. It happened with a lot of the other ones. You see that? It's tucked, it's covered, it's hidden. That's your one side. This is my other side that I tucked away. Now you can start twisting this. I think 2 was enough. Let's see where that's at. So that's up here, way at the top, because I was like when I stopped the braiding part. So that's way at the top of the twist. Also for like the crown, because it's gonna fall short. They were falling short. So you would add in, when I added in my 3rd piece of curly hair, I also added in another Marley hair to make the twist the same length as the rest. You will have to add in more hair because the crown sits higher, the hair is gonna stop higher if you don't line them up. Once I get down this far, that's when I can just twist my ass off pretty much. Okay. Sometimes the twist gets short like this, so I just move one side, like this side is longer. I don't even know how the hell that happened, but I just switch it over. Just add that long piece to the side that was short. Pull tighter if you need to while you're twisting. So that's just the very end. You can seal these however you want. You can knock them off. Some of them I burn off. This one I don't really think you have to burn it off. Let's see, a little bit of hair. I just snipped that off at the end. And I think it's good, but I'm just gonna show y'all for the ones I did burn. Just melt the tip like that. Squeeze it so it melts into each other. Now these parts, even if I don't burn it in, I do burn these parts off. And then some of the parts down here doesn't really have to be burnt, but if you just want to feel a little more secure, just do like that to smooth it out. So you're not really burning it till it's black, but just making sure it melts into each other. Okay, now I am done. See how far that piece hangs. I will probably snip that off a little bit. That's good enough for me. See, my braid stayed, it was secure thanks to the clip. That's how it looks. See, 2 curly pieces was enough for me. I was doing a lot at first. So they kind of look a mess right now, but I'm gonna add like a little of my finishing products. This is really my first time gonna wear it down because it hasn't been done. So I've been tying it up in scarves and shit. Can't see it much, but I'll show it with my products. So I'll be right back.